Do you want your brand to be unforgettable? Let's dive into some key tips for building a memorable and recognizable brand. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, fractional CMO for health and health adjacent technology companies, and today I want to share some essential tips for creating a memorable brand that stands out in the marketplace. Here are some key tips to help you build a recognizable and memorable brand. I've got 7 of them here. Number 1, define your brand identity. Let's start by clearly defining your brand identity. This includes things like your mission, your values, your vision statement, your personality, not your personality necessarily, but the brand personality. Your brand identity should reflect who you are and what you stand for as a brand. If you're a very small business or a solopreneur, obviously it should reflect you. But as the bigger they get, the more it should reflect the company itself. Number 2, creating a unique value proposition. Develop a compelling UVP that clearly communicates the unique benefits of your product or service. Your UVP should address the specific needs and desires of your target audience. Number 3, consistent visual branding. Always ensure that your visual elements such as logo, color scheme, typography, imagery, all of that stuff should be consistent across all platforms online and off. Consistency in visual branding helps create a cohesive and recognizable brand image. Guys, if you want examples of this, think Apple and Nike. Consistent visual branding is very important. Number 4 is going to be your brand voice and messaging. You want to establish brand voice and messaging that reflects the brand's personality. You're looking at things like tone, language, and all that messaging that includes those things should be uniform across all communications, online or off. Websites, social media, advertising online and off, in-store experiences, all that stuff should feel cohesive. It should feel the same. Number 5 is going to be telling your brand story. You want to craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience. Your story should highlight your journey, should highlight your missions, and it should bring value to your customers. A strong brand story creates an emotional connection that makes your brand just more relatable. Number 6 is going to be to engage with your audience, actively engage with your audience. Just do it. Always be there, actively engaging with them. Do it in social media, do it with email marketing, do it with all the channels you possibly can. Respond to comments, ask for feedback. Create opportunities for interaction. Engagement builds community around your brand and it fosters loyalty. Number 7 is going to be to deliver consistent quality. Consistency is key here. You may have noticed that it's been a key point of a couple of these. Ensure that your products or services consistently meet or exceed customer expectations. Delivering consistent quality reinforces your brand's reliability. It builds trust with your audience, all of the things that we talk about frequently. Let's take a look at some real world examples here. Number 1 is not Microsoft, it's Apple. Apple, of course, is known for sleek products, sleek design, innovative products, outrageously, incredibly consistent branding, their visual elements, their messaging, the brand experience across Apple is rather cohesive. It's instantly recognizable as Apple. Number 2, Nike. Nike's Just Do It slogan, the iconic swoosh logo, it's synonymous with the brand Nike. Their consistent messaging around empowerment, athleticism, doing the work, essentially. It's huge to their target audience. Their target audience believes that. They feel it in their hearts and their souls. And that's part of being in the Nike ecosystem feels empowering to Nike's people, to Nike's customers. Does that make sense? Number 3 is going to be Coca-Cola. Their branding is consistent across the globe. Red and white colors, the classical Coca-Cola logo, the messaging around happiness and togetherness, groups, and life is a party kind of thing. It creates a memorable brand experience. Tesla's another great one. They emphasize innovation, EV, sustainability, high performance. Their unique value proposition, their consistent brand messaging have made them a leader in the EV market, which is there's the automobile market in general. I don't know how much you guys know about the automobile market, but it is an incredibly difficult market, not only to break into, but to break into and to become a leader in. If you look on Wikipedia, if you do Google search for how many automobile manufacturers there have been in the last 100 years, so many more than you would think. I'm going to come up with Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai. I don't know if Suzuki makes automobiles anymore, but they certainly make motorcycles. Yamaha makes motorcycles. BMW, Lexus. But Lexus is really just Toyota, and Acura is just Honda. Anyways, those are the quick ones that come to mind. There's so many more. It's ridiculous. I digress. In conclusion, building a memorable brand involves defining your brand identity, creating that unique value proposition, maintaining consistent visual branding, establishing consistent brand voice. Again, consistency is key. Telling your brand story, engaging with your audience, delivering consistent quality. By following these tips that we've been talking about, you can create a recognizable and memorable brand. I want you to now reflect on your current branding efforts, your current branding as it stands today. I've got 3 questions for you. Number 1, are your visual elements, is your voice and is your quality consistent throughout all platforms, throughout the customer experience? Question number 2, how effectively are you communicating your unique value proposition? Question number 3, what steps can you take today, this week, to engage more with your audience and build a stronger brand identity through that communication? Considering these questions, of course, exposes opportunities for improvement and including new initiatives into your current branding. So if you're struggling with any of this, if you're struggling to create a memorable brand, I'm here to help. Reach out to me and let's chat. I will buy you 14 beers worth of my time at no cost to you. It's a half hour on Zoom. I have nothing to sell you. My only goal here is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can hit me up on LinkedIn. You can get at me on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is you're listening on. All of these things help us reach more folks. It helps us to help more businesses, and that's our big goal here. I want to thank you for doing all that you do. I want to thank you for all the contributions that you're making to the world with your business or your businesses. As ever, I'm Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.